Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money on Teespring. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to the URL section and simply type Teespring here, teespring.com and hit the enter button. Normally, that is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And even if it's your first time, you'll find the login option at the top right corner. And of course, on the left of it, you'll find an option to create an account if you don't have one. You will have to do one of those two options if you want to start using the application. Of course, you can use your Google account, YouTube account, or even your Facebook account if you want to log in or even create an account. And if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. And once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on something on a screen like this. And of course, you can just go and click at your email here or name if you have it. Of course, you can go and click at create. As we said, we would like to make money. So the first thing that we would like to do, of course, is just go and create some listing for us. Of course, make sure to have some good listing with some good looking or some good designs. If you have some great ideas, you can actually make them right here and this website. So once you made your ideas, of course, if you want to know how to make a listing exactly, you can just go and check one of our examples in this tutorial, in this channel, sorry. And of course, once you created like your listing, you can just go here into your listing. You will find them right here. Of course, here you'll be able to see your unit solds of that listing and etc. So how can we actually make a real money? Because this is alone will not make it. So the things is we will have to promote our listings if we want people to see them and buy them. And as I said, make sure to have some brilliant ideas of designs that will attract people to buy your listings. So let's say an example, I have good ideas, but I'm not having or people not reaching my product. So of course, as I said, you'll have to promote them. And if you want to know how to do that again, you'll have to go and check one of our videos in this channel. So that's how you actually make money in this website. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.